In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. Start by opening your web browser and going to www.glassdoor.com. Once you land on the home page, look to the top of the screen for the search bar. In the first field, type in the job title you're interested in, such as marketing assistant. In the location field, enter where you'd like to work. You can type remote if you want fully remote roles, or a broader area like USA to see nationwide options. When you're ready, click Search to load your results. Now let's narrow things down so you see the most relevant roles. Use the filters on the page to refine your list. Job type lets you choose between full-time, part-time, contract, and more. Salary helps you focus on roles within your target pay range. Date. Posted is great for surfacing the most recent listings first. Company rating can help you prioritize employers with stronger employee feedback. And if you're focused on flexibility, use the remote jobs filter to view positions that are remote-friendly. Adjusting these filters can save time and help you zero in on the right fit. When a listing catches your eye, click the job title to open it. Take a moment to carefully read the job description so you understand the responsibilities and required qualifications. Check the salary details if they're provided to make sure they align with your expectations. It's also helpful to scan company reviews to get a sense of culture, management style, and overall employee satisfaction. Reviews can add context that the job description alone may not capture. When you're ready to move forward, click Apply. You'll typically see two options. The first is Easy Apply, which lets you apply directly on Glassdoor. With Easy Apply, you'll be prompted to upload your resume, and in some cases, you may be asked a few short questions. Make sure your resume file is up to date and clearly formatted. Then submit your application. The second option is Apply on Employer Site. Choosing this will redirect you to the company's own careers page. From there, follow the instructions on that site to complete the application. You may need to fill out an online form, answer role-specific questions, and upload your resume again. Take your time, double-check your details for accuracy, and keep your materials consistent across submissions. That's it. Head to glassdoor.com, search, filter thoughtfully, review each listing, and apply using the method provided. With a focused approach, you'll move through applications efficiently and increase your chances of finding the right role.